Hi everyone, I'm going to do a Cheryl Cole video for you today. It's going to be Cheryl Cole from her latest video actually for Fight for This Love. Yeah, I just feel like it's a bit different makeup, especially for her. I don't really know how I feel about it. It's growing on me quite a bit, so I'm going to give that makeup a go anyway. I don't know if those of you in the States have seen the video, but I'm sure you can Google it. She's beautiful, she's absolutely amazing, really, really stunning. For my skin, I'm going to use Vitalumiere by Chanel in 40. My concealer that I'm going to use is Boying. This is 03. I do have a few blemishes at the moment. Stress. And I'm using my 224. And I'm going to use blot powder over the top of that in medium dark, just to seal it into place. And I was using a MAC brush. It's the 134 brush. Okay, here comes the complicated bits. That's easy enough. We all know how to put foundation on, hopefully by now. The eyeshadow. It kind of goes up and it goes round, and the blusher goes right through the hairline. So it's quite reddy brown tones as well, with a little bit of black through as well. So I'm just going to start with getting that bit, I think, and this bit, because I think they're using the same colour on that. I'm going to go for quite a warm brown. This one here actually, brown script. First of all though, I'm just going to pop a little bit of base on, just a matte base. I think this one's vanilla. Just going to pop that all over. With an angle brush. And brown script, basically. Almost goes up and joins the end of the brow. Doesn't need to be done too tidily. It's going to be blended, hopefully. Now, a 217 brush. Just to bring a bit of that eyeshadow through here. And join the two up. I'm going to use a slightly darker colour. Embark. Hoping you can see that. And I'm going to, with the same 217 brush, just put it through that so it's a bit darker through here. It's very 80s, this makeup, which I love the 80s. I say that most of the time in my videos. But it's really nice. Next, I am going to do the brows. It's a bit strange, but the makeup comes down through the brow, so I need to have the brow done so I can kind of finish it off and see where it's going. And it is a really warm brow as well. Clinique eyeshadow in Sable, just for the brows. I'm going to add some of the warmth at the front, but to start off the brows. Cheryl's brows are also straighter than mine, just a little bit. So I'm just going to try and straighten mine out, maybe make them a bit longer here. And it also goes there. just don't know how she manages to make this lip makeup still look beautiful. That's really blended through there. So that's kind of a bit like the eye shape, not quite there yet. Just want to have a clean 217 as well, so I can just clean up through here. I'm just going to use Embark, the colour that I put through here, just a little bit stronger through that bit there. And underneath as well. I don't know how necessarily wearable this look is, but it's fun to watch anyway. And if I look anything like Cheryl Cole at the end of it, I'll be going out like it. And a little bit of red, brown script, just through here now. Going to use red brick. Some of these products might be pro products, guys, so just to warn you, because it just needs a little bit of a warmer colour through here. A black eyeshadow by Beverly Knight. I really like this eyeshadow because it's very, very black. A lot of eyeshadows don't have enough depth to them. I really like this one because it does. Comes out very, very true. And this is just going to go through the lash line just to bring the eye shape out a little bit more. Because this is the thing with this makeup is you can kind of lose the shape of the eye, the features, because there's so much going on all around. And it actually goes up through here as well. But it's very blended. Pop a little bit more in here. Okay, we're getting there. I've got my Beverly Knights mascara as well. I'm going to use Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, my Louise Young brush. And this is, Cheryl has a lot of bronzer through the cheekbones and through the hairline. Like, there's a lot of this on her. She has a real orangey tone through here, just on the top of it. I am going to use Burnt Pepper by MAC. I might have to, it's a pro product. I might have to mix it with a little bit of a more orangey colour. We'll have a little look. I'll tell you if I do. I am going to add a bit more of an orange tone, but I'm going to add the orange one that we used on the eyes a little bit, so the colours are blending together. Same brush, just a little bit. I'm going to get a slightly bigger brush just to buff that all through. It does really stand out on her, but I just want it a little bit buffed through. And just with the eyeshadows, just bring them up a bit more into it, rather than being separate, so they're really almost blending into each other. So getting the idea. Then, I think we just need lipstick. I think that's more than enough of a look for her. The lips were very, very nude. Hardly anything on there. I'm just going to use Wildly Lush, which is a plush glass from MAC. And I am kind of Cheryl Cole, not really, but it looks, the makeup's the same, it's just that I'm not. We gotta fight, 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 fight for this love.